Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have here Isabel with me once again, and today we're going to show you how to do a front porch Christmas sign. So we have all the materials here, so we're going to go step by step of which materials you need in order to make something like this. And then let's show you the materials first. So we had scrap wood from previous projects. So then we measured out 9 inches and 5 feet. Then we cut to length.
Time for the 6 steps. So first you're gonna get a piece of wood. Doesn't matter which one. We used 5 feet by 9 inches. Second step is paint. We used white and nice red from Home Depot. And can't forget your brush. Third step is the stencils and the small brushes to write in whatever it is you'd like, but we used little and medium sized ones. Fourth step, your little hot glue gun and ribbon. Fifth step is snowflakes, and we used 3-inch and 1.5 inch, and they look like this. Last but not least, you can add any other extra decorations you want, and then it's going to turn out like this.
Okay, now that you guys know all the materials that you guys will need for this project, the first thing will be to paint the wood plank. So let's paint it.
So you start by grabbing the paint you want, and then you shake it.
So now we're going to show you how to make a bow with this ribbon. So that's going to take a while, so let's go ahead and start doing that while we let this dry. So let's get to it. And we're going to use a hot glue gun, so that's our favorite part. So let's get to it.
Next step, while we wait for the paint to dry, we're going to cut 2 14-inch strips for the ribbon and 1 12-inch. Perfect. Next. Oh, the other side. This side. Yep. First, we need another one. Forgot about the little piece. Time to scrunch the bow. All right, So what I did is I put the 14-inch down, the 14-inch hot glued, put it in half. There you go. The 12-inch hot glued, put it in half, and right on top of there so they can kind of overlap and look pretty. This is up to you. You guys can do that or not. I like to do that because it makes the bow prettier. So my crunching style for the bow is I do it in half. So basically there's gonna be 3 hoops. There's one right there, and then you go 1, 2, and then there you go. There's the second little hoop, and then that's the 3rd one. Ta-da! So this is about the middle. So now you got a little, what are these called? Pipe thingies? You twirl it, you eyeball it, you put it in the middle, and then you turn it around, and then you just twist it. And then first, you set this in there. Well, here, let me show you how it turned out. Stick 2 of your little fingers in there. Go. And the other one. And then do the same in the back. Just blow it up. There you go. How pretty is that? So then you're gonna hide this part. You're gonna put this little sucker in the middle. And then, ta-da! And then let's hot glue gun this part. Okay. Do a little bit of hot glue right there. Let it sit for a second.
Perfect.
Okay. And we're gonna cut 2 sides to put right here and wrap around for the corners, just like that. Leave some room for the side and the back. Perfect.
Next side. So yeah, we put the ribbon on the board. So the next step is to put the stencils and lay it on top of the board and then draw it out with a pencil. Okay, so we chose a stencil. We're gonna use this one. So let's do it. Now that it's stenciled in, all you have to do is just paint over it. Okay, next step is to paint in the letters.
painted the white. Time for the bow. I am gonna just tuck this in there. Just pull that up. We're gonna stick that in the middle. A ton of glue. And then hold it. And ta-da! Almost a replica.
All it needs is snowflakes.
Snowflakes and a little hat if you want.
Now it's perfect. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you do your own Christmas front porch sign, and it looks way better than the one we did in the first place. Also, I will leave all the materials and where we bought them in the description box below, and that way you know where to get everything we used. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself project, and I'll see you guys soon.